Welcome to The Explainer. We're tackling a big mystery. Why do brand new machines sometimes fail on day one?
So, let's dive in. A machine aces every factory test, but then it fails on site. What gives?
Because the most important test isn't in some clean lab. It's right here, out in the real world.
Factory testing is about the design, but field commissioning, that's about finding problems before they become disasters.
Yeah, we're hunting for 3 hidden culprits that pop up after the equipment leaves the factory.
And get this, studies show 22% of these units have defects that factory tests totally miss. That's huge. All right, first things first, we're doing hands-on safety checks before any power gets turned on. First, a visual check for damage. Then, we make sure the safety locks actually work. And finally, we test the insulation.
And these mechanical interlocks, they're non-negotiable. If they fail, things could get really, really bad.
Okay, the insulation test. The magic number we're looking for is over 1,000 megaohms. That's key.
But if that reading is too low, it's a full stop. Usually means moisture got in somewhere.
Okay, time for the electrical gauntlet. Now we power it up and test its reflexes. Think of this as the breaker's heartbeat. Its contacts have to open in a super tight time window.
And that timing is everything. Too slow, you get nasty arcs. Too fast, and you're looking at mechanical stress.
Next, we check contact resistance. For this kind of breaker, it has to be under 150 microohms.
See, high resistance is a huge red flag. It creates dangerous hotspots that can literally melt connections.
All right, it passed the electrical tests. Now we check its brain, the control system, and make sure the paperwork's right.
And that paperwork has to be flawless. The serial number on the report must match the unit on site. You'd be surprised. Bad paperwork is a big deal, causing about 12% of deliveries to get sent right back.
But we're not done yet. The final phase, putting this thing under surveillance once it goes live.
So for the first 30 days, we're watching it like a hawk for any signs of trouble.
And this is so critical because 95% of all those hidden defects, they show up in this first month.
So what's the big takeaway? Commissioning isn't just rerunning tests. It's about discovering problems in the real world. Ultimately, this process is what keeps our power grid stable. Makes you wonder, what other hidden risks are out there?